Hi guys, sorry guys from earlier because the video is already full, the storage is already full. That's why I just go in my mom's phone. I use her phone to record this. So I need to add some more orange. I'm gonna pour some of it. Because the color, oh my god, I add a lot of orange. Look at my hands. Okay, I'm gonna close it and put it back. So now I'm gonna mix it. Oh no, this is a lot worse. Not that worse, but it's like yellow. Did I add the right color? I think I added the right color, but it's not yellow. It's okay if it's this yellow. Look at it. Saw that? I think because of the shaving foam, it turned yellow because orange plus a light color turns into yellow. Now let's go next to the green. Okay, let's mix that. Oh, that's a beautiful green, but it's a light green. Not that dark green, but I don't know if I'm gonna add some more green or just these. It's like mint green, color green mint. See? It's a mint green. I guess this is okay. This is fine. Let me add some more to make sure that it's good. Okay. Let's add some more green. Yeah. Ow. Ow. My pinky and my foot just... Okay, I'm gonna put that there first. Oh! Good thing that it didn't go on my thumb again. Let me add a little more green. Oh, that's a lot of green. And then it's done. Now let's mix it again. That is the color where I'm looking for. Why is it so... What the heck? It's a bit. It's not a lot. It's just... Let me add a bit more shaving foam to make it a bit bigger because it's so small. Oh! Ah! There we go. Now I'm gonna get my glue because I think it's not enough glue. Let's just add this glue. You could get this glue here in Dubai, just only Libra white glue. That's the only glue that is allowed here in Dubai. But Elmer's, they don't have Elmer's, they don't have stack of Elmer's glue here. So if you want to buy Elmer's glue here in Dubai, there's no Elmer's glue. You could buy Libra white glue to make slime. This is like their Elmer's glue here in Dubai. But in the Philippines, there's no Libra glue. I guess you could get Elmer's glue, but not Libra. Now let's add some of these Libra glue. This is like icing, like the chocolate one, vanilla slime. I don't want to add so much because I don't want to buy next time. Now, let's try to mix it again. The green one. They're much better. Now, there. Let's mix the yellow one. The yellow is kind of a lot. It's a lot of yellow. Like it's so freaking good. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's Friday. There we go. Let's move on to the color violet. Oh, it's like it's not a lot of violet. I guess I need to add some more violet because it's not a lot. Oh, wait, I can't open the violet. Oh no, it just go in my thumb again. That's enough. It's a lot. Don't go in my palm. That close? I don't know if it's still open. Let me squeeze it. There we go. Let's go mix these. Ooh, it's like pink color. It's like close to this red color. It's like, Let me guess what its color, what is its name? I think peach pink. It's like color of the peach pink. Next is the color violet. I mean the purple. I mean the blue. Okay, let's fix that. Ooh, it's like light blue, baby blue color. Oh no. Now look at these things. They're so pretty. Let's try to set up them like these. Wait. Oh, let's get some more of these glue. Blue color. Oop, hair emergency. That's good. Let's arrange this into purple, yellow, green, and blue. I'm gonna show you guys what is the color that I just made. Let me show you. Oh wait, it's a surprise, so you can look at it first. Until it's already activated, it's good to look at. Now let's activate. You could get this parcel. You could use any laundry detergent, but if it's only power gel, if it's a power gel, Ariel power gel or Tide, you could use it. This is also a power gel because this is just small. That's why we just bought it, because there's no liquid Tide and Ariel that is full here.